Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn the basic structure of the float sensor, use of the float sensor and how to connect this float sensor to the circuitry. Subscribe our YouTube channel Electrozer for more such technical videos. Now lecture start. So first point is that what is the use of the float sensor? Suppose we want to find out the water level or any liquid level in the tank. Suppose this is a liquid or water, and we know that water is the best conducting medium, and for this property of the water we can use for finding out the level of the water. Though at that time what we can do, that we can insert it two wires like this, means water is present at their point, at this point. Then what happen, then due to conducting medium, this plus 9 volt, for example I take that 9 volt, so this 9 volt is going to here due to conducting medium and then goes to the circuitry. But what happen after some days, after some month, due to continuously this positive supply is coming at here, the negative ions from this liquid, from this water is accumulated at here, and whenever this totally accumulated and block this cable or the sensor, then it will not be work. That's why there is a need of the float sensor. So second point, construction. So construction is like this. So this is a float sensor. So just I removed it, then you can understand very well. And whenever you understanding construction, then okay. So float sensor is like this. Inside it there is a magnet. So you can put this magnet at here. So like this float sensor is there. This is a magnetic reed switch. See this properly. There are two strips and it is inserted inside it like this. Just I will insert like here, then you can understand well. Okay. This is a magnetic reed switch. I inserted it here, and with the help of glue gun, so this is a glue gun, just I make the packing for avoiding the water coming inside this tube. What happen, whenever water level is coming, means water is present at this level, then float sensor goes upside. Then what happen, across this magnetic reed switch there is a magnet is coming, and that's why these two strips are connecting, means one strip is attracted due to magnetic field and these two strips are connected. And whenever water level is not present, then this float sensor goes downside, and that's why this means magnet is not present across this. That's why the strips are removed from each other and no continuity is coming between these. We will check it with the help of multimeter. Put that here. So this is a float sensor. Now continuity is coming here because the magnetic reed switch are connected each other. Then magnet is goes downside, that's why continuity is not coming here. We will check once again like this. So that is the work of the float sensor only. So next part, how this float sensor connected or connection of the float sensor with the electronic circuitry. So there are two steps are there, or two possibilities are there of the connection. So first I will draw the circuit, then you can understand that there are two possibilities. There is a need of the NPN transistor I am going to use this BC547 transistor. We know that this is the base, collector, emitter. Emitter goes to ground. Then this is the collector. For demo purpose, I will put here the simple LED. So for current limiting, here is a resistor, diode, here is a 1K resistor. For demo purpose, I connected 9-volt battery. There is a base resistor, same 1K I used here, and float sensor I connected like this. Float sensor connected here like this. So this is a float sensor. Okay. So this is a plus 9 volt. What happens whenever float sensor is coming upside due to the water level present at here, then continuity is coming between these 2 points. That's why this 9 volt goes to the base, transistor become on. That's why collector to emitter current flows and LED is on. Okay, we will check this circuit, then you can understand very well. So first I explain the parts. This is a transistor, same this transistor, this LED, this is a resistor, this resistor, and this is base resistor, this base resistor, and this is a float sensor. Okay, so at that point means liquid level is not present. Whenever this goes upside, then what happen? This 9 volt goes to the base, transistor is on, that's why LED is glows. Okay, suppose I want to do a mini project like the water level indicator or with the help of buzzer, then what we can do? Simple connection of this buzzer at here. See here, at here. There is no need of the current limiting, that's why I will put the buzzer at here. Please connect. Here. Okay, means at the collector. So I just connected buzzer at here. See here, whenever water level is coming or tank is full, whenever you this float sensor is connected at the top level of the tank and tank is full, then float sensor goes upside and buzzer is triggered like this. Okay, so next part, suppose you want to connect this float sensor to the PLC circuit or microcontroller circuit or 555 circuitry, then there is no need of this buzzer, because your further circuit which you connected at here, this circuit will trigger or give the any other program. So there is a need of the simple one resistor, and you have to connect this point to our circuit. Then what happens? See here. So first step, means whenever at the float sensor goes upside, then positive signal goes here, transistor on, that's why this ground comes at here. Means at the time of water present, then here goes the 0. Okay, and if float sensor goes downside, then there is no any voltage goes, that's why water level is absent, then plus 5 volt or plus 9 volt is coming here. Understand? So this is theoretical, but what is the practically precautions is needed? So first is we can connect at here, means possibility is there. We can give the ground at here, and as well as we can, there is need of pull-up resistor in this circuitry. This circuit is also work. Means if float sensor is goes upside, then 0 voltage goes there, that's why transistor is off, and you can invert it, not a problem. Okay, but what happen if this length is more, means suppose your system is at one side and your tank is from, means 20 to 30 feet from the circuitry, then the resistance of this cable is come in picture, that's why ground is not coming properly, that's why positive signal goes at here. So that's why it may be means circuit will not be work properly. That's why my suggestion is that you should have to connect here positive supply. and you have to use this circuit only. Then what happen, if this resistance of this cable is coming in the picture, then no any means harm to the circuitry. Another point is that there is a need of the pull down resistor also, like this 10K. So what is the use of this pull down resistor? So at the time of float sensor going upside, then this plus 9 voltage goes like this to the base, not a problem. This 9 volt is coming at here. But whenever float sensor goes downside, then what happen? It is a totally means there is no any positive supply or ground supply. If this resistor is not coming picture, then there is no any supply. That's why chances of the fluctuating. That's why whenever we connected this pull down resistor, then what happen? Whenever float sensor is not come in picture, means water level is not present, for example like this, then this ground is coming at here. And whenever float sensor come in picture due to water sensor, means this connection is occur, then these positive supplies goes like this, and that's why the circuit will be work like this. Thank you.